So in April this year, Boost Mobile came up with the new Samsung Galaxy phone, and that was Samsung Galaxy A51. It's $400 phone with great specs, but is not 5G, which was its biggest drawback. Even though its 5G version was available in the market on that time, it does not make sense launching a phone worth of $400 and it's not 5G. But now Boost Mobile came up with another Samsung Galaxy phone. It's 5G and budget friendly, but has lower specs than A51. So I'm talking about Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. So in this video we are going to talk about this phone, its specs and features, so that we can find out if this phone is worth buying or not. So stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So box is open and initial setup is completed already. So before to go in more detail, let me tell you guys its price and current promotion in Boost Mobile. So this phone is $280, $100 if you switch from other company to Boost Mobile and eligible for the discount. And being a Boost Mobile customer, this phone is $200 if you are eligible for upgrade. So there is a big price drop on this phone as compared to A51, which is an awesome thing to hear, but you are getting lower specs than A51. It means you are losing some specs here and there, but getting a 5G phone at a low budget price. So let's start with its specifications. This 5G phone has a 6.5-inch HD screen, which is a big size and perfect for watching videos and playing games on it. It has 720p resolution and TFT display technology, which is one of the compromises. It could be great if this phone had at least 1080p with AMOLED display. A water notch drop on top of the screen with 13 megapixel selfie camera. You should consider this camera's position if you guys don't like the selfie camera in the middle. Okay, let's have a look on the bottom of the phone. This is a headphone jack, mic, Type-C charging port and external speaker. On the left side, this is a slot for our SIM card and the memory card. On the other side, these are the volume keys, and this is the power button with built-in fingerprint scanner. This is the perfect place for the fingerprint scanner as compared to on the back or on the screen. Now let's talk about its back cover. Glossy finished plastic body. Gray color will take a lot of fingerprints, but if you have case on it, then it shouldn't be a problem anymore. And if you notice the camera setup, it resembles to Samsung Galaxy Ultra. Comes with 48 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels wide angle, ultra wide angle, 2 megapixels depth camera, 5 megapixels macro camera and flashlight. So no doubt this phone got a higher end camera setup, which is giving you a variety of options such as portrait mode in front and back camera, a wide angle camera if you want to cover more contents in the picture, and macro lens which will let you capture the image with its full detail. This 5G phone comes with 64 gig built-in storage, which is another compromise as compared to Samsung Galaxy A51, which has 128. So 27% of that went in the initial setup, which is 17.39 gig. There's still plenty of space left to download more applications and other data, but in case if you need more storage, this phone supports external SD card up to 1 terabyte, and this phone has 4 gig of RAM, which will make this phone fast enough, especially while you're playing games on it. This phone has big battery, 5000 milliamps, which will give you talk time up to 41 hours, and that is almost 2 days. This phone also capable for fast charging, comes with 15-watt fast charging adapter. Okay, if we talk about its processor and Android versions, this phone has MediaTek chip, 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, and Android version 11. So both are higher end specs. So now let's check its sound quality and the screen resolution. It has only one speaker right here in the bottom. So I'm playing this video. So let's see. This one is worth buying or not, then watch this video till the end. It's loud enough. Resolution is okay, even though it has 720p, but it has 90 Hz frequency, which makes this phone smooth, as well as the sound quality, and the bass is not bad either. In terms of security, this phone offers a whole bunch of options, such as the basic way to lock the screen with the PIN, password, and pattern, as well as an advanced way to lock the screen with face recognition and fingerprint scanner. If we talk about features in this phone, it has plenty of those. So some are new because it has Android version 11. So that version came some new features. So we are going to cover few of the most common ones. So feel free to go in the settings in your phone. You can find whole bunch of features, new and old, depends whatever you guys want to use. For screen recording, you don't need third-party app anymore because Android 11 gives you built-in option for screen recording. To use that, you need to go in notification panel, go further down and look for the option for screen recorder. You click on it. After following a few steps, you can record the screen with or without audio. So before Android 11, so most of the phones you had to download third-party application, which you don't need to do anymore. This one has a shortcut view of your most frequently used apps, also called edge panel. There's a small line over here, slide it out and this panel pops up, also called edge panel. So there is you can build a whole list over there of your most commonly or frequently used apps over here. You can change any of them by clicking on this pencil icon. If you want to remove any from there, you can just hit the minus button, it will remove. And if you want to add, you just click on, there's a list of the apps, you click on it and it will be add over here any one you want, the one you know you're going to use more frequently. So this is a good shortcut panel, you can say. And instead of going inside the phone and looking for those apps, you can just slide out this edge panel and you can access those applications from here. It's another easy way. Now let's talk about the side key feature. By pressing power button twice, you can open any application which you guys use most frequently. So for example, let me press this one. So it has by default the camera, but you can put any application you want over there. It's very easy. Go in the settings to do that. Look for the advanced features and here is the side key. Let me show you more clearly. And right now it's on quick launch camera by default. So we can change open app. It will open the list of the apps over here. And for example, if I want to select Facebook over here, and let's try by pressing power button twice, it will go for the Facebook. Another cool feature. Okay, inside the lock screen there is another good feature called smart lock right here, and it gives you 3 more options, such as on body detection. It basically your phone synchronizes with your body movement, and until you walking or moving, your phone screen stays unlocked. It goes locked soon you stop moving. And the other one is trusted places. You can add locations in that where you want your phone to be unlocked automatically. The third one is trusted devices. Those are basically Bluetooth devices. Can be a speaker, a watch, any other Bluetooth device you can add in it. Soon this device uh, detects those devices, your screen will be unlocked. Okay, inside the advanced features option, you can find one-handed mode. This is cool, awesome feature. I liked it. It basically reduces the size of the screen and you can manage your phone with one hand. You can navigate your phone with one hand. That's why it's called one-handed mode. Let's see how it works. So we gotta turn it on from here. You click on it, it will open. Now you have to tap twice over here. So this is the small window. Now you can do, it's like using your same phone but in a small screen, so that you can use it with one hand. So if you want to bring that window on the right side, you just click on this arrow. It can on the right side, you can bring it up, you can bring on the left side. And if you want to turn off this feature, you have to go again in advanced features and turn off one-handed. You are back on the big screen. In the end, let's talk about another feature is inside the advanced features and motion and gestures. Keep screen on while viewing. What is that? It's basically keeps screen unlocked if you are watching your phone for a long time. For example, you're watching any movie for 2 hours. You don't want to hold your phone in your hand. You can put it on any stand. Your screen will stay on. How it works? It basically your phone front camera or selfie camera detects your face, and it keeps the screen unlocked until it's detecting your face. So this is a cool feature. You don't have to change any time on the screen lock. By keeping this feature on, you can avoid that hassle. I have covered its most important specifications and features which make any phone good or bad. And we should know about those specs and features before to buy any phone, such as its processor, built-in storage, RAM, Android version, screen size, camera setup, and battery, and some those features which we need to use in our daily use. And this phone has all of those. I was concerned about its 720p screen resolution, but this one has 90 hertz frequency. The phone is running smooth, the colors are awesome, and the sound system is good, has a good bass. So highly recommended this phone. Is the price is good as well, $280, and can be cheaper if you're eligible for any available promotion from the Boost Mobile. So that's all. If you have watched my video till now, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.